A hero always shows up sa pinakamahirap ng hamon at hindi sila selfish. Even in the most dangerous times, palagi silang nandyan at nakaantabay.
A hero is committed to morals and upholding good causes unconditionally and unequivocally.
Becoming a hero is a noble commitment to others that demonstrates responsibility and duty to the society.
The recent global pandemic witnessed the hero in each health worker, including us, the interns and physicians, in leading the front line to confront and combat the virus that took many lives.
In some cases where the healthcare system seems unreachable, health workers like us channel the inner hero among us by going straight to far-flung areas to bring the best health services they deserve and have been hoping for.
In most random and dangerous situations, doctors like us takes charge of the people we encounter whenever they experience sudden health problems in unexpected places, where we must respond to the call of duty is for in our oath.
HERO stands for Health Education Reform Order, which embodies the objectives and duties of our profession in propagating proper health education to the grassroots.
Base sa Executive Order 595 na tinalaga noong 2006, ang layo ng HERO Project ay isama ang health education sa school curriculum mula primary hanggang tertiary levels.
An integrated involvement of community members, TECAS physicians, health workers, leaders, educators, the business people, and the non-government and non-profit organizations who generate collaborative efforts to make this project possible and inclusive to everyone.
Since 2012, nasa objective ng HERO Project na tulungan ng ating mga kababayan in making informed and critical decisions sa tamang pangangalaga ng kanilang kalusugan. This project, which started in 2012, guides Filipino society in making informed, critical, and important decisions related to their health, like what and what not to take, as well as advantages and disadvantages in health matters.
HERO helps everyone to reach their goal of maintaining their health regardless of age and background, and unleashes their capability to influence others to do the same.
HERO educates everybody by sharing factual information about the importance and essence of checking their health status and encouraging them to practice a sedentary-free living.
HERO resonates productive relationships between the public and physicians together with the other healthcare workers, as we encourage them not to become hesitant in asking questions about their health, know their limits, and live with fewer worries.
Becoming a hero entails courage and dedication to selfless acts of service to humanity through embodying a beacon of hope in tumultuous times. Our HERO project holds the power to share valuable information about the wonders and essence of taking care of our health, while debunking myths that could put us in error. Join us in navigating this project to make a comeback to inform, inspire, and influence people to live better. There's a hero for every Filipino.
Thank you to our